will care to tell you 90%, hear this, in America, right, of women file for divorce. Not men. Men don't leave. It's women that leave. And out of that 90%, are you getting this? Out of that 90%, if they are put in place, 88%, all of them left when they got more money than the men. Women always leave when they think they have power over the men. Hear this now. Hear this. Hear this so you understand the power of a father. From the statistics of people who commit crimes, over 70% are people who were raised by a mother only. Guess what now? When the mother is not there and the father is raising, 90% of them don't go to jail. These are statistics on the, listen, this is an American society. 90% of single fathers who raise their child as a father, they don't go to jail. Over 70% of all ladies that raise their children go to hell, go to jail. All of them. 70. And guess what? And guess what? If they can go there, they are being led to hell. Because a woman has no ability to raise a child. You can feed a child, but you can't raise a child. No, you didn't hear me. That's why your duty is to nurture a child. But you can't raise one. No matter how you lie to yourself that I raised here. No, you never did. That's why most kids that are raised by women are troubled in their heads. They don't know what it is to treat a man. So when they see a man, they want the man to become another woman. So when they get into a society can't even understand them. And they are very right in what they do. They think they know it. But they don't know. They don't know. They only were raised. One person who wasn't raising them was feeding them. A nurturer. A woman is an incubator. A man is a supplier. That's why the head is Christ and the body. And on the body,